Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And here I ordered Amazfit BPU 2 days before, and I will do unboxing and review. From last 2 days I am using this. I bought this from Amazon, which cost me 228 dirhams, which converts in USD. That cost $62, and Indian rupees 4,500. So here is the box. You can see it's clearly written there, Amazfit BPU, and this is the design. Backside written 31 gram its weight, and 5 ATM water resistant, sleep quality monitoring, personal activity monitoring. And here's the product. In Indian rupees it's written 6,000, but I bought in Air Abu Dhabi, which cost me 228 dirham, which you convert in the Indian rupees. This. So here's the box. Let's open. So first we got this pamphlet, which are the instruction of this product. So nobody I think read this, so keep it aside. So here is our product, that is Amazfit. You can see Amazfit BPU. The display is very bright. First we will check what we get inside the box. So here is nothing, just here I can see a cable for charging. So let's check. So this is the cable for charging this smartwatch. Cable is very good length, you can see it. Here's the magnetic dock. So what we'll do, it's a magnetic, you can see it's a magnetic dock. So here is your product. You see the display is very bright. The best thing about this product, I like the display. The display brightness is very decent, above average, you can say. Like AMOLED, it's very bright. Now see, the brightness is only 50%, it's not 100%. Now I put in the 100%. Now check out the display. Oh, it's very bright, very much bright. So I keep it default, then we'll see what else we get in this smartwatch. Okay, so here it is. I already connected to my device, and here you can see everything is showing, time, how much I walked, the battery percentage there, and here is my heartbeat, calorie burn, date, time. Okay, so if you swipe left, you will see the music controller. Okay, then again we swipe, you see the weather information there. Then it's a Pi, which is a fitness tracking, some kind of thing. Okay, now we slide. So here is a stress monitoring. Okay, so let's do. So the strap quality is very soft, very good quality. I don't have any issue with this. It perfectly fit in my hand. So here is this device. You can see only weight is 31 gram and very comfortable. I am using from the last 2 days. So the strap width is 20 mm. You can change by ordering other strap from Amazon or any other platform, online platform. So okay, I will measure this. It's showing 39. So here is my, you can see guys, here is my stress measurement. This device measured my stress level. Then left we have SpO2 sensor, which medical term, which calculate how much air our body is getting. So let's check this out. Same, it will take some time, it's a little bit slow, but I think if it's accurate, then no problem, we can wait for 1 minute. So guys, we are near the result is showing I have 92% SpO2 measurement as per this device. So it's a good for our health, means everything is fine. Okay, so here is a heart rate sensor. It's showing 132 BPM. Okay, and left you have nothing, you have activity goal. then you back to main screen. So swiping up, you will see the notification if you're getting any notification, and swiping left or down, you will come to main menu. Then swiping right, you will see DND mode, alarm, which is synced by your device. Okay, and here is the brightness setting. So I will keep 70%. Let's see. The display is very bright, man. You can clearly see even in 50%, it's sufficient for you. So okay, setting watch faces, you can change it. Okay, so here is our next watch face, which I personally like this because it's a very deep and red. It's a good combination, and nothing else. You get this. It's showing 36% battery remaining. Yesterday I charged till 45%. Now it's 35%. It's okay. And here same thing. But when you touch this menu, this button, this crown button, you will get back, and when you're switching it, you will get this activity goal, pi, heart rate, sleep monitoring, workout, work history, SpO2, stress sensor, breathing cycle. You can improve your breathing. This cycle tracking is for women's, alarm and setting. In setting, same thing, lift up, notification, preferences. Another thing you can see, pressing this again, you will go back to setting, and here there's a weather, music, countdown, stopwatch, world clock, camera remote. You can take your selfie from your camera without touching it. You just press here, you will get this, and find your phone. So this option is also very good. For some key specification, the display size of this smartwatch is 1.43 inch, which is diagonally, and this is a TFT display, but very bright. I like this display, and also it's curved. You can see it's a 2.5D curved glass with Gorilla Glass 3. Okay, and what you are getting, it's 20 mm. This is strap. You can change by ordering any other online platform. And what is the feature? Real-time heart rate monitor, blood monitor, and what is stress monitoring, 5 ATM water resistant. Also you can track your sleep, and sports mode. We have lots of sports mode here, 60 I think, camera and music control. Okay, and the main thing which we are buying this as a heart rate sensor. See, here is a heart rate sensor. 2 I think is a heart rate sensor, and 1 is for SpO2. Let me check. Says a SpO2. You see it will light up red. It's not detecting my hand, so it's going off. See here, the color will come for red is for SpO2 and green is for heart rate. Okay, the sensor is accurate, I think, because many time I tested this with other smartwatches. It was giving me a very satisfactory result, or accurate result, you can say. The battery is 230 mAh, and it can last up to 10 days with heavy usage. If you are doing heavy usage, almost 7 days you can use this, but normal user can get this around 10 or 11 days. Okay, so here it's, guys, I'll show you the physical overview. This is made of I think polycarbonate, but a very good one, and the strap is soft silicone. So guys, this is my smartwatch. I'm using this. You can buy this, and the quality and the function is perfect for me. For any normal user, this is perfect, and you see the display, it's very good. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.